In this full guide, I'll show you how to set up a VPN on a TP-Link router using NordVPN step by step. Installing a VPN directly on your router is one of the best ways to protect your entire home network, because once it's set up, every device connected to your Wi-Fi is automatically secured. That means phones, laptops, smart TVs, gaming consoles, and tablets all benefit from VPN protection without needing to install anything individually. Before we begin, a quick note. This guide uses NordVPN, which is my personal favorite VPN and one I've been using for over 5 years. If you want to follow along with the same service, you'll find a link in the description that takes you directly to a limited time offer. There's also a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in trying it out. Before getting started, make sure your TP-Link router supports VPN connections. You can confirm this by checking your router's manual or visiting the TP-Link website. Many TP-Link models support OpenVPN, which works seamlessly with NordVPN. If your router model doesn't support VPN connections by default, you may need to install custom firmware such as DDWRT or OpenWRT, although many newer models work without any modifications. Next, log into your TP-Link router's admin panel by entering its IP address into your browser, which is usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. After that, enter your username and password, then navigate to the VPN or OpenVPN section within the settings menu. Now, head over to the NordVPN website and log into your account. Locate the OpenVPN configuration files and select the server location you prefer, ideally one close to you for optimal speeds. Download the OVPN file along with the required certificates. Return to your TP-Link router panel and upload the configuration file and certificates. Then enter your NordVPN username and password from your account dashboard. Save the settings and connect. Once the status shows that the connection is active, your entire home network will be running through NordVPN. At this point, your entire home network is protected by the VPN. I've tested this setup extensively, and it's not only secure, but also fast enough for streaming, gaming, and large downloads. With NordVPN's strong encryption and strict no-logs policy, you can browse, stream, and download with confidence knowing your privacy is protected. By the way, if you're interested in trying my personal favorite VPN that I've been using for over 5 years, check out NordVPN using the link in the description. It takes you directly to a limited time offer and includes a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in giving it a try. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan the QR code on the screen with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN right away.